Welcome everyone. The question is, a simple harmonic motion has an amplitude capital A and time period is capital T. The time required by E to travel from x equal to A to x equal to A by 2. Now, in most of the cases when I am considering the particle is at the equilibrium position x equal to 0, so from here to it moves to this position, that is the maximum displacement from the equilibrium position, that is called the amplitude. Okay, after that it is again returning back, and due to inertia it cannot stop there and it can reach here, and that is x equal to minus capital A. Okay, so it is not mandatory that all the time the particle starts its journey from this equilibrium position x equal to 0. If this particle starts its journey from the maximum displacement position and it's coming in the direction, that is, it is starting from its journey from here, it is just crossing the mean position, comes to its opposite side and comes to the another side, that is the x equal to minus A, again it is returning back, then also you can see it is a simple harmonic motion. It is something like that. A simple pendulum's mean position or the equilibrium position is here, but I am just leaving the simple pendulum from this position, so it just comes from here to here. Half of the time period elapses and again returns back to this position. So this is also simple harmonic motion. So in that particular cases, what we have done basically, at that time we have not considered the sine function, we have considered the cos function. Why? The fundamental difference between the sine function and the cos function is that sine function starts from here, okay, starts from 0 going to plus A, again returns back to 0, that is 0 to plus A, again returns back to 0, and again it just crosses this mean position and after that going to minus A and again comes to 0. So this is basically representation of the sine function if the particle starts its journey from the mean position. But here it is not. Here the particle starts its journey from the maximum displacement position or from the point capital A. So when t equal to 0, the particle is at capital A. When it is t equal to t by 4, the particle is at the mean position. When t equal to t by 2, the particle is at its minus A, and after that it is again returns back here, that is 3t by 4. Then at t it again reaches this position. So if I just connect these points, so it is something like this. So this is the basically nothing but the displacement versus time curve. Displacement versus time curve. So if any particle starts its journey from the capital A and execute the simple harmonic motion, then obviously we will try to represent this thing using the cosine function. Here the particle is travel from x equal to A to x equal to A by 2. Okay. So I am just writing down the equation of motion for this particular case, x equal to A cos omega into t. Okay. Equal to capital A cos 2 pi divided by capital T into small t. Now from here to here, just crossing this A by 2 position, what is the time taken by it? That we have to find it out. So I am just placing A by 2 in the position of x. So it is capital A into cos 2 pi divided by capital T into small t. Capital A and capital A basically cancels out. So I am getting 1 by 2 into cos equal to cos 2 pi divided by capital T into small t. If I try to represent this 1 by 2 in the cosine function, then obviously it will become cos 1 by 2 is pi by 3. That is pi by 3 means 60 degree. Okay, is it 60 degree? So if I just place it pi by 3, it is cos 60 degree. It is equal to cos 2 pi divided by capital T into small t. So I can write down from here, that is pi by 3 is equal to 2 pi divided by capital T into small t. So what is the value of small t here? What is the value of small t here? Small t is pi by 3 into capital T divided by 2 pi, that is capital T divided by 6. The option A is correct. So let us remind, it is t equal to 0. It is at x equal to a. It starts its journey from here. When it reaches this position, at that time, it is 1/6 of the total time period. Okay. So in reaching from x equal to 0 to x equal to a by 2, it takes only t by 6 if capital T is the time period. Thank you all of you.